Hey, what's up? It's Jason Pohl. I wanted to show you what I've been working on recently. One of the things, ever since I was a really little kid, I remember just being absolutely obsessed with cars and how awesome they were, you know? So it was always one of those things in the back of my mind that I wanted to take a stab at designing. And luckily for me, back in 2006, while I was working at Choppers, I had an awesome opportunity to work with General Motors and design the 2006 Chevy Silverado SEMA truck. This was a custom truck that had a lot of my design influences poured into it. I had an absolute blast working with John Cafaro and his team over at General Motors to get that project done. And at the time, it was just 2D sketches that I was contributing to the build. And I always thought, man, it would be really cool to be able to model an entire car or an entire truck and really have ultimate design influence on it. And up until recent, I really didn't have access to the software or the proper education to do so. And what I found on the platform is that I can model just about anything that I want, okay? And I really wanted to model up this car. You know, like I said, since I was a kid, I've been drawing cars everywhere, you know, even when I'm not supposed to be drawing them. So what I did is I started off with a sketch of what I wanted to see in an automobile. And I was able to take that sketch, bring it right into xShape, and I started with a box, actually, and just started modeling to my sketch. And I was just shocked on how fast I was able to model everything. Using, again, these subdivisional surfaces, I was able to push and pull my way to victory lane here, you know? And it was just brilliant to bring in my sketch. I had a front view and a side view and just start modeling. And, you know, I never thought this would be possible until I was exposed to these tools. So a little bit of the workflow that I did was, you know, I did the rough model in xShape, and then I was able to save out that xShape model and open it right up into SolidWorks Connected. You know, I've been using SolidWorks a long time now, so I'm really comfortable with the tools. It just didn't really have anything that was super organic way to model, kind of like a digital clay. And that's exactly what I got with xShape. So went into SolidWorks Connected and just started having fun doing surface lofts and cuts and extrudes and offsetting the surfaces, all the stuff I'm comfortable with in the SolidWorks interface. And I was able to create this car, right? So from there, I wanted to bring it to life even more. And so I went into Visualize Connected. And Visualize is absolutely brilliant. It makes it look like you spent all this time doing this amazing 3D render, but really the shaders are all there for you. So there's no more monkeying around like developing shaders from scratch. There was a nice chrome that I was able to grab. Glass, I was able to bring the glass into it. And you know what? Why just do the exterior of a car when you're having so much fun modeling? Why not just model the entire interior too? So I did a dash, a center console system, and I did these really crazy custom bucket seats. I wanted to do something that I haven't actually seen before in different cars. So just kind of, you know, push the boundaries of what's been done, and just a fun concept. So I did the interior of the car as well. And you know, once I was inside Visualize, I was able to do different textures and get the glass and the chrome and everything to really pop. And with Visualize Connected, I can even set up full animations. So, so now we're not just talking about still renderings, right? We're talking about fully animated films. So I'm able to do these full animations, and it's just an awesome piece of software. So my workflow on this project was all done on the 3D Experience platform. I started off with 3D Sculptor, xShape, and created the model there. Then I opened it up in SolidWorks Connected, was able to add more detail to the project there, And then I opened it up in Visualize Connected and was able to create a full-on movie and awesome renderings right there in the same platform. So it was really cool to bring this to life. You know, it's something I wanted to do for a really long time, and I'm glad I got a shot to do it. So look out for my next video and see what the next project that I'll be working on is. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas, feel free to drop me a comment or check me out on social media.